How to install the work lights and strobe lights are among the most common questions that we answer. This training module should clear up any confusion that you might have. Before you begin, you need to make sure that the spreader is unplugged from the truck. This will prevent shorting out the module while working in the service panel. The module also needs to have a power cycle in order for it to recognize new accessories that have been plugged into the system. Turning off the key in the truck will not work in this instance. Never attach leads to the posts on the module. You must use the isolated stud block. If leads are attached to the module studs, it could cause a short circuit within the module. After you choose which way you'd like to mount the work light, choose one of the breakthrough plugs and puncture the rubber. Feed the plug and wire through the rubber seal. The fused relay assembly for the existing work light will have a second quick connect that is to be used for the second work light. The strobe light brackets have a driver and passenger side. The large hole will be at the top when oriented correctly. Drill 4 holes in the plastic tub using the bracket as a guide. Plug one of the harnesses into the light and secure the wire either by using the hardware that came with the kit or by zip tying the wires to the frame. Puncture a hole in another knockout. Run the wire through the knockout hole, and then repeat the steps for the passenger side. Remove the isolated stud block cover. Remove the nuts and then bolt on the leads for the fused relay assembly that came with the strobe light kit. Find the white wire coming from the A port on the module and then plug that wire into the fused relay assembly. Remove one of the plugs and attach the relay assembly to the back of the box. The strobe light flash pattern can be changed. All you have to do is make sure the strobe is powered on, and then expose some of the yellow wire behind the strobe light. With a 12-volt power source, touch the yellow wire to the 12-volt power, and then the light will stay on steady. Release the yellow wire from the power source, and the next mode will begin flashing. Repeat this process until you see the flash pattern that you like. Reseal the wire when you're done. And here's a brief demonstration of how to change the strobe patterns. And that is how you install the strobe light and secondary work light accessories. Thank you for watching.